Naomi Peter, level 3 connection month, plus musicality. We started with a little kata.
Here's a little sequence that we put together. Circle. And then the send out. Hey. And then yeah, back into the circle. Then we had you follow. Boop. Go get your partner. Boing. Triple step, triple step. Then we went right back into it. Then we turned that last thing into a 4 count. Zoom, zoom, rock step. We put all those together. If you were there, you know what we're talking about. Then we
extended the circle.
Turn it around. We started just trying to do like really stiff turning with no momentum. Just to like get some strength here. Then we actually put it in dancing where you kind of get some momentum to build into it.
Zoom, zoom.
To make those steps really feel like zooming. Then you keep zooming. You can just add steps as you want for fun, just to get that connection going.
Then we finished out with sugar push.
Should I be that winded after 4 seconds of dancing? Probably not.
I don't know, breathe over there.
Here we go. So it is step, step, tap, step, triple step, 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 tap,
Leaders
step,
moving on the 1 and 4.
step.
1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, twist.
4.
Followers can do a triple step, leaders can too. But the tap just helps us get the feel for it. And remember, it's a new feeling, that compression feeling. So it's okay if it takes a little while to get good.
It's less about pushing and more about moving. That was it. Oh yeah.